Unit 6. Listening, Exercise 2.
OK, everyone. You remember that this week we've looked at global warming, a really big problem for the planet in the future. We think it's super important for schools to set an example. So last week, I asked you all to think of some ideas to make our school green. Today, we're going to make a list of your ideas and see what we can all do together to make the school greener. So, who wants to start?
Well, in a school like this, we use lots of paper, and sometimes I see people putting paper in the bin, just throwing it away. And sometimes they've only written on one side. My idea is to have 2 boxes in each classroom, one with paper that we can use again, and one with paper to recycle. If we reuse and recycle all the paper in the school, it'll help to save trees.
Good idea, William.
Just one question. Who'll actually take the paper for recycling? That's a big job. A job like that can be a bit of a pain.
If we all help, it won't be so bad. Why don't we use the class list and go in alphabetical order? At the end of the week, we'll all take it in turns to take the paper away and recycle it.
OK. And the teachers will take turns too. Chloe, can you write that idea down? Now, any other ideas? Isabel?
Well, I know this isn't very original, but, at the end of the day, there are always classrooms where all the lights are on and everyone's gone home. The rooms are empty, but the lights are still on.
Well, Isabel, you know that it's actually a school rule. The last person to leave the room switches the lights off.
I know. Teachers have told us to switch the lights off, but we forget sometimes, or people don't think it's that important. So why don't we make signs or posters to put on the doors, saying why it's important to switch the lights off? If we put posters up, maybe people won't forget to do it. If we remember to switch the lights off when we leave the classroom, we'll save lots of electricity.
True. Good point. Chloe, make a note of that too, would you? Posters on the doors to tell people to switch the lights off. Yes, Jack?
And why not have signs and posters in the toilets too, miss? The thing is, people often forget to turn the tap off after they wash their hands. If you don't turn the tap off, you waste a lot of water, especially if it's the end of break and nobody goes into the toilet until the next break.
Yep, you're right, Jack. Let's put that idea down too. Now, I had an idea as well. I was thinking that...